All right, we are having lunch at the Chicago Pizza and Oven Grinder. One of the things that makes this place so famous is it's right across the street from where the St. Valentine's Massacre happened. Hey everybody, and welcome to another edition of Where the Heck Are the Albans, and where the heck are the Albans? We are in Lincoln Park, which is a little neighborhood of Chicago, and we are at Chicago Pizza and Oven Grinders. A little restaurant, maybe 20 booths and a couple seats up front, so maybe about 24 tables total.
It's extremely popular.
Extremely
They've
popular.
been on Food Network and all over.
And
it used to be our little secret.
yeah, and now there's like 2-3 hour waits to get in.
But now they take reservations.
I was just going to say that, yeah. But now they take reservations. We did get a reservation. And we are here with Miss Vivian, Emerson, and Alex. And we are going to have ourselves these awesome things. They're pizza pot pies. And we're also going to start with something called Mediterranean bread. So they have antipasto chef salad, Mediterranean bread. For Tony, there's the oven grinders, all the different kinds. The half pounder or a 1 pounder pot pie. They have salads. And we are about to enjoy some of this great stuff. So when it comes out, I will film it, show you guys what everything looks like, okay? I'm looking forward to this.
I'm starving.
Me too. Okay, so here is the Mediterranean bread. You can bait. There's no plates, no forks, no nothing. You just rip a piece off and start eating. What's everybody thinking?
Delicious.
Yeah, it's good stuff, huh? Back? Yeah.
The bread's delicious? Yes.
Oh, man.
It's a very good waitress.
Oh, man.
Awesome.
This is amazing.
80% tip.
So good.
It's like a little flatbread.
It is. So good.
Okay, all right.
So this.
Veggie mushroom.
Veggie mushroom, that's me.
I have 2 meat with mushrooms. That's me. That's 2 meat without mushrooms. Let me take care of vegetarian first.
Okay, that's
Better
me.
safe than sorry. There we go.
Look at this.
Look at
Oh,
That is a work of
That is a work of
art.
art.
And I do one little double check on veggies. It's better safe than sorry in my book. That is vegetarian. Perfect.
All right. Excellent. Oh my gosh.
My way down the line with these meat sauces.
I'm just going to put a little light on the subject here.
Yeah, definitely. Gotta get the flash on there. Gotta display the beauty. Yeah, hopefully you love cheese.
I love it.
You're in the right restaurant. Definitely why you work here, to notch it out. Here for the pie too, y'all.
I'd weigh like 300 pounds if I weighed it much.
There is no way I get through the aisle. Yeah, I usually have like 1 day a week where it's like my pizza day.
there you
After
go.
like my weekend of working, I'll always have like one dedicated day where I'll just like have whatever, treat myself to whatever. But you can't get sick of these pies, I've tried.
I wouldn't think so.
It's impossible. All right, everybody.
Thank
can I
you
get
so much.
That is
anything else
perfect.
right now?
Thank you so much.
Another Stella, absolutely. Enjoy everyone.
Oh man. So this is a pizza pot pie.
Yes, actually, very, very, very much excited.
And it's all this melted goodness inside of a dough bowl. Oh man. All right. So we'll eat our pies here, and we're gonna give you our review at the very end. So I just want to show you this in the process of eating this thing. So I just cut mine open, and it's all coming out, and all this nice, beautiful cheese on here. And the crust is just absolutely perfect. Oh my gosh, this is so good. highly, highly recommend this place. So yes, that is where the St. Valentine's Massacre happened. Right next to this building. They tore the building down, but that's where it was. And here is the place that we went today. Chicago Pizza and Oven Grinder, 2121 North Clark Street.